gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Android tablets have clearly evolved beyond just being oversized phones. Today, the focus is on portability, flexibility, and getting real work done on the go. That's exactly where OPPO's latest lineup steps in, with two new devices, the compact and travel-friendly OPPO Pad Mini and the high-performance OPPO Pad 5 Pro, designed to handle everything from entertainment to productivity and creative tasks. So, how do they actually perform?
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Let's dive in, starting with the much-awaited Pad Mini in its Donaco finish. Right away, the design grabs attention. The ultra-slim 2.99mm bezels, paired with those smooth, rounded corners, give it a really clean and balanced look. At 8.8 inches, it hits that sweet spot. It's comfortable to use with one hand and compact enough to slip into a pocket without any hassle. Add a sleek case and a stylus, and it quickly turns into a handy mini notebook you can carry anywhere. The back panel uses a premium metal-sprayed anodized finish that blends seamlessly into the frame, giving it a solid yet comfortable feel in hand. What's impressive is how OPPO managed to keep it so light, just 279 grams and incredibly slim at 5.39 millimeters, while still packing in an 8,000 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging. That balance between portability and battery life is seriously well done. The version I'm using comes with the soft light display. It features an OLED 2.5K Lemon soft light screen, and there's even a pastel display mode that gives off a soft, paper-like visual feel, almost like a color e-ink screen. It's gentle on the eyes and makes long usage much more comfortable. Running on the new ColorOS 16 Gold Label system, paired with the OPPO Pencil 3 Pro, the experience feels incredibly smooth and natural, almost like using a real notebook. A light press on the stylus triggers haptic feedback and brings up a quick access wheel for notes. The pen itself feels great to hold, and writing on the screen genuinely mimics pen on paper. The vibration feedback is so precise that if you close your eyes, you can actually tell different pen types apart just by the feel. That level of detail is seriously impressive. OPPO has also added an AI circle feature this time, along with AI-powered drawing and chart tools, making note-taking smarter and faster. For example, you can take a long travel plan, circle key parts, and instantly turn them into clean, organized diagrams. It's simple, intuitive, and saves a lot of time. And if you're someone who tends to misplace their stylus, OPPO has you covered with built-in tracking and a ringtone feature, making it easy to locate. Small touches like this really add up. Another area where OPPO shines is the ecosystem connectivity. If you're using an OPPO phone, there's no need to manually set up a hotspot. The tablet can automatically share the phone's network as long as it's nearby. Calls and messages sync seamlessly. What's even surprising is that it can also sync notifications from an iPhone, which makes the cross-device experience even more versatile. On the performance side, the Pad Mini is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, supporting up to 2.5K resolution and 144 FPS in titles like Peacekeeper Elite. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, everything feels smooth and responsive. It even supports PC-level professional video editing, so editing vlogs on the go is totally doable. All in all, it's a compact device that's easy to carry, yet powerful enough to handle almost anything you throw at it.
The OPPO Pad 5 Pro also brings over many of the standout features we talked about earlier. The Chen Shijin color option looks stunning in person, giving off a true flagship vibe. When you attach and unfold the new floating Smart Touch keyboard, there's this satisfying, almost ceremonial feel to it. It instantly transforms into something that feels very close to a laptop experience. What's surprising, though, is how slim and light it still is. Even with a 13.2-inch display, the tablet measures just 5.94 millimeters thick and weighs only 672 grams, so it never feels bulky like a traditional laptop. Once you enable keyboard and mouse sharing, you can seamlessly control your computer across devices. The typing and gesture experience feels natural right away, almost identical to using your computer, so there's no learning curve. You can remotely control your computer or even use the tablet as an extended display, and thanks to the low latency, everything feels smooth and responsive. The 3.4K screen makes the whole experience even better. On top of that, the updated PC-level file management system is actually more intuitive than what you'd find on many computers. You can drag frequently used folders directly onto the desktop or organize them into folders with ease, making everyday tasks much quicker. When it comes to creative work, the improvements really stand out. Compatibility with commonly used software plays a huge role here. PC-level WPS runs effortlessly, and apps like Silhouette Pro feel perfectly optimized for this large display. It's so close to the desktop version that you can barely tell the difference, and editing 4K videos is smooth and efficient. Whether you're at home or on the move, switching from a PC workflow feels seamless, and in some cases, even more convenient on this bigger touchscreen. The Pad 5 Pro also features a panoramic free window system that lets you open multiple apps at once with flexible window sizes. You can arrange several floating windows, then use a simple 4-finger spread gesture to snap them into a split-screen layout, adjusting the proportions as needed. Pinch back with 4 fingers, and everything returns to floating windows. It's quick, fluid, and very easy to use. Performance-wise, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and it handles demanding games like Genshin Impact at a steady 60 FPS without breaking a sweat. With additional performance tuning, it can push up to 27K resolution at 120 FPS, and even supports 3.4K at 144 FPS in PUBG Mobile. Gaming on a screen this big is seriously immersive. Battery life is another strong point, thanks to the massive 13,380 mAh battery. Even if you leave it unused for a long time, the Smart Sleep mode ensures there's still charge left when you pick it back up. At the end of the day, the OPPO Pad Mini and the OPPO Pad 5 Pro are designed with different users in mind, and they complement each other really well. It's not about which one is better, it's about what fits your needs. If you prefer something compact and easy to carry, go for the Mini. If you want something focused on productivity and power, the Pro is the way to go. That's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.